Every morning you wake up tired and tell yourself, tonight will be different. It never is. Not because you lack discipline, but because nobody ever taught you what actually happens to music your body between the time you lie down and the time you wake up. Your body does not automatically recover. Music, it has to be prepared to recover. And that preparation starts hours before you close your eyes. So today, I am giving you the exact night routine that will change everything, because when you fix music your nights, your entire day stop fighting you. Let's start with number 1. Know every night you promise yourself tomorrow will be better. You set the alarm. You mean it. And then morning hits and you feel like you never slept at all. That is not a willpower problem. That is a biology problem. Nobody told you that sleep is not something your body does automatically. It is something your body has to be set up to do. And that setup starts long before you pull the covers. So right now, I am walking you through the exact night system that rewires your recovery. Because when your nights work, your days stop feeling like survival mode. Number 1. Stop eating 2 hours before bed. Most people think a late snack is harmless. Your body disagrees. Blood redirects. Internal temperature rises. Every system in your body switches into active mode. The exact opposite of what sleep demands. You are not tired in the morning because you slept too little. You are tired because your body spent the night working instead of healing. The solution is a buffer, 2 to 3 hours between your last bite and your pillow. That window lets your body power down the way it was designed to. Number 2, kill the screen light. Your brain has one mission once the sun goes down. Release melatonin and begin the shutdown sequence. But every scroll, every video, every glowing screen you stare at tells your brain it is still midday. Melatonin production stalls. Deep sleep never arrives. This is not a preference. This is chemistry happening inside you right now. The fix is simple but non-negotiable. 1 hour before bed, screens go off or go to night mode. Lights dim. You give your brain the darkness signal it is waiting for. Your sleep quality is not broken. Your environment is. Correct the environment. Number 3, warm shower then skincare. A warm shower does something most people do not realize. It brings blood to the surface of your body. The second you step out and the cool air hits you, your core temperature drops fast. That temperature drop is a direct signal to your brain that the day is over and recovery should begin. Your skin at night is not passive. It is actively clearing damage, rebuilding collagen, reversing everything the day threw at it, but it needs something to work with. 10 minutes. Cleanser, moisturizer, done. This is not cosmetic. This is your body asking for basic support. Number 4, review the day. Write tomorrow. Most people finish the day and just collapse. No review, no reset. And the next morning, they wake up carrying the same mental weight they went to bed with. Your brain does not process experience on its own. It needs you to force that reflection. Every night, grab a pen. Write what worked. Write what did not. Write what you would do differently. Then write your 3 non-negotiable priorities for tomorrow. Not a full list. 3. The ones that actually move things forward. When you write them down, your brain releases them. No more mental loops. No more lying awake running through unfinished thoughts. Just stillness. And stillness is where real sleep lives. Number 5. Lock in your sleep time. Your body runs on a circadian rhythm, an internal, biological clock that controls melatonin, cortisol, temperature, and energy. That clock does not adapt to your inconsistency. It only functions on pattern. Every night you go to bed at a different time, you confuse it. Your brain never commits to shutdown because it never knows when shutdown is supposed to happen. The fix is commitment. 1 fixed sleep time. Every night, no exceptions. Within days, your body starts anticipating it. You will feel tired at the right moment without forcing it. A fixed sleep time is not a routine. It is a biological agreement. Keep it.